A while back, the folks over at Super Clean sent me a package of their products. And one of them was this wheel cleaner. So we're going to give it a try today. Directions on the back. Says clean one wheel at a time. It says to rinse the wheel thoroughly with cold water beforehand. Then you spray down the wheel. Let it work for 30 seconds. And then it says for extremely dirty wheels, agitate with a soft brush or sponge. And then rinse it thoroughly. So you want to follow the directions on wheel cleaners like this. If you let it sit on there, if you got like aluminum alloy wheels that has a clear coat on them, stuff like this can take that clear coat off. So you want to make sure to follow the directions. I got this wheel on my 1999 Ford Taurus. It's extremely dirty. Recently this brake caliper on this side locked up and it dusted the rim pretty good. So now that I got it fixed and stuff, I need to clean it up. So we're going to see how it works on this wheel. Alright, there's a look at it after one treatment with it. It done alright, but there's still a little bit left on it. So I'm going to give it one more round of doing this and see how it comes out. So that's after a second treatment with the Super Clean wheel cleaner, and it looks pretty good now. So that's how the Super Clean wheel cleaner worked out for me. So does it work? Yes. Is there anything special about it? No. It works about like any other wheel cleaner I've ever used. It does work, but it's nothing fancy about it. So I hope that video helps you out. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.